In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add site-wide animations to your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to add a bit of flair or make your site more engaging, animations can be the perfect touch. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open up Squarespace. Once you have it open, make sure you're logged into your account. This will give you access to all the customization tools you need for your website. Now, when you find yourself at your homepage, take a look at the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This will pull up a list of the websites associated with your account. Next up, select the website you want to work on. This will bring up a range of customization options, but our focus today is on styles, so click on the Styles option. After you do that, direct your attention over to the right side of the screen. You're looking for the Miscellaneous tab, so go ahead and click on it. Within this tab, you'll notice an option labeled Animations. Click on that to proceed. Now, here comes the fun part. Once you've clicked on Animations, you'll do a list of various options to choose from, including None, Fade, Scale, and more. Each of these offers a unique effect for your site. Take a moment to explore the options available and decide which one best suits the vibe you're going for. Don't be afraid to experiment. This is your opportunity to add some personality to your website. Once you've made your choice, remember to click Save. This step is crucial because it ensures that your changes are locked in. But wait, there's more. You also have the option to adjust the speed of the animation. Whether you want it to be slow, medium, or fast, you can set it according to your preference. Again, once you've tinkered with the speed to your satisfaction, click Save one more time. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can add dynamic animations to your Squarespace site, offering your visitors a more engaging browsing experience. These animations not only enhance the aesthetics of your site, but can also emphasize important content and improve overall user interaction. Thank you for following along today. I hope this tutorial has empowered you to add the perfect animations to your Squarespace website. If you found it helpful, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy customizing, and see you in the next video.